to another video. Today I'll be taking a look at this, which is a 1992 Numatic George. It's a gve370 from the 30th week of 92. I got this from good friend Adam. I'm sure you know. I get quite a lot of machines from him. Well, I only got the top from him. The base I already had. You can see it's got a couple of holes in the back here where it's been previously repaired. They tried to do something, put a new hook on, but I've put the proper one on there. Yeah, I only got the top. Oh, pardon me. I only got the top off him. So base I had already. The base is 99. It came off 99 George I had. I gave it to Adam. This is just the stuff out of Numatic, just for the purposes of this video. But yeah, I got the top of him. It was covered in paint. It was quite bad condition. If you've seen Instagram, you'll know how dirty it was. Motor's really rusted, but it's not a big deal really. But yeah, it's just a collection machine really. I've probably used it twice, 3 times maybe. I've not even used it for washing yet, so this will be the first time. I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to make a video. I've already vacuumed in here this morning with a light ball. If you don't already know, I have a light ball now. Don't worry, I didn't pay 200 quid. I didn't pay anything for it actually, but you know. I'll be using just random carpet cleaning attachments I've got really. Pneumatic ones. Just this one with an aluminium wand on it. That's what I use on my big industrial one. And then the chemicals I'll be using is this. I won't be pre-spraying today. It's just a quick freshen up. But this is what professionals use. And then I've got this as well, which smells absolutely lovely. But yeah, we'll go and fill the machine up, get it all set up, and we'll give this carpet a bit of a clean. So the George is all set up now for washing. It's filled with solution. The hose has been attached, pump has been primed, and we're all ready to clean the carpet. So I'll start from the this side of the room and work my way over. And yeah, so let's get cleaning. metal strip come off. Just finished cleaning. Let's have a quick look at the state of the water in this, because I didn't clean this very long ago. It's April now and I cleaned it in December, but there's quite a bit of grit and stuff in here, so there's some muck of course. Let's just take the tank out. Still got the solution in there, so I might just go and clean the carpet in the shed. Yeah, I mean, no pre-spray, and it's picked up all that. So, I mean, good chemicals in a machine like this, and you can achieve pretty alright results, really. It would be even dirty, I reckon, if I pre-sprayed it, but we'll sit on here, put a little bit of leaf or something, but yeah, not too bad, I suppose. There we go. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.